Hey folks, welcome to Dig Drive DIY. All this week I've been at Harlan Days, our local town festival. And well, today is Saturday, August 7th, and we've got a big monster truck show tonight. But it rained all morning and we're not quite ready yet. I have to go build some monster truck jumps and it's all mud, so this should be interesting. Come along and check it out.
Koch, Dig Drive DIY.
Covered with mud. We've been waiting as long as we can. It's already 4:30 and the show starts at 7:30. We need to try to deal with all the mud and get a couple jumps built and get a bunch of junk cars out here for the monster trucks to jump, and we haven't even started. We called in some help from a local bulldozer operator, another bulldozer operator, we got some skid loaders. I'm here with the backhoe. We just got to see if we can get this shaped up in time to have the show tonight, and honestly it's going to be a mess. So we're going to let the dozers do their thing first and see if they can skim off that top layer of mud, and then maybe we'll start hauling cars and dirt. Let's see.
You gotta get rid of the water. That's the first thing.
All right, so Jack says get rid of the water.
Get rid of the water.
And then we can deal with any mud. So first plan is to get rid of the water. We're gonna make a squeegee line of dirt, squeegee all the water to that end, and then we'll see what's next.
Hopefully it'll kind of, well, we can kind of direct it that way, out that corner, so.
Do you have like an idea what you want?
2 stacks of 3 cars,
Yeah,
offset like this,
yeah,
one down there. We'll put a little bit of a ramp on this side and a little bit of ramp on this side so we can do Chicago style race.
okay,
And the back side we just put a little tiny bit of dirt just to keep the cars from moving around,
okay,
because we'll use that back side for freestyle.
okay,
And then probably somewhere out the end there we can put a nice tapered jump, 3-4 foot tall. Nice taper on one side and make it real steep on the other side so we can roll up to it and pop a wheelie. And
These are cars, dirt, 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 jump.
yep.
Okay, well we need to go get some mud off. Okay, John's here with the dozer now. That might change our plan a little bit. He's gonna start squeegeeing dirt off the top.
I mean, this don't look bad here.
They want to have a jump down here at this end to like jump going out,
Like right in the center.
like in the center. So we might be able to avoid this whole mess. Tell you what, I feel like I got to do something. I'm gonna start scooping some dirt and get it up here. Maybe we can scoop dirt and maybe we can use it to shove some of that off with the Bobcats. All right, let's start moving some dirt. We don't know what to do. Now it's 5 o'clock. Show starts in 2.5 hours. We just got started. It's actually drying up pretty good. We're getting the mud all smeared around. Jack and John on the bulldozers are really helping squeegee that out. I was helping squeegee with a backhoe. Now I need to mark out where the cars go and the hills for the cars so that the trucks can jump over them, and then we're going to put a jump on the outside of the track too. Get that marked out and the track laid out. I'd say it's actually looking pretty good. We need to start hauling cars out, and I'm going to get some dirt out there with the dump truck. That's the plan. And I'm late for supper. So I'm sorry, Kara. I'm missing supper because it rained today. It's supper at Harlan Days. We're gonna haul some dirt. Okay, I think we're gonna make it. We got the track almost all built. It's 7 o'clock right now. We're gonna delay start time just a little bit to let the pyrotechnic guy get set up. But the monster trucks are coming out, so I think we're gonna be good to go.
Eric Howell, thanks for having us here at Harlan Days.
Nice job. You all right? I'm good.
That's how we do it.
Woo! Good job. Well, I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next week. All right, take care.
Get rid of the water.
Look at this.